Son. Jesus loves you more than you will know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping lifted seeds while I see you. You're breaking my heart, you're shaking my confidence day